Here's Reframe app Drink Less and Thrive. So this is the app focused around cutting back and or quitting drinking alcohol. It's quite a popular app in this category. It's quite high in the charts. It getting some nice ratings and reviews. And yeah, this can help you to manage your drinking habit. Number one alcohol reduction app built to help you drink less and live more. Whether your goal is to cut back or quit drinking entirely, Reframe's neuroscience approach can help you change the way alcohol shows up in your life. With a core 160-day evidence-based education program, progress tracking, a private community, and a multitude of tools, sync meditation, games, and more, you've got everything you need to change your relationship with booze at the click of a button. So that's what you have here, and yep, that's where it is. I don't obviously need to consult with a doctor and just to have better idea, but this is just an app, it's quite popular. And let's see what it goes in here. So you need to create your account. Just an example of what you can have here. I'm just trying to show it to you, what it can be, how it works. And then, just basically, and then you can start customizing your plan. You just set it up, all the things, and then it's just creating. I guess after that, it will just ask me to upgrade, but yeah, I'm just showing you. Then you just you see all these questions. So then you just have these types of things. And then there is this offer, so 30 days, $5, 7 days free. So you can try it out for 3 days. There is a free trial. And then there is yearly plan, or there is like a monthly plan. So there is a free trial both on monthly plan and yearly plan, which is quite a good offer. And yeah, then you just have this, and then that's what it is. You can also remind that the trial ends. Unfortunately, that's what it is. There is no free option in this app completely. There is no limited free plan. There is only this kind of paid plan with free trial.